Utah is home to over 4,000 black bears, and their population is still growing. Black bears are the only species of bear found in Utah, but don't let the name fool you. They come in blonde, cinnamon, and even a reddish-brown color. In Utah, bear hunting is more than a tradition. It's a vital part of wildlife management that helps balance predator-prey populations. These animals can smell food from over a mile away, and their sense of smell is 7 times better than a bloodhound's. Despite their size, black bears can sprint up to 35 miles per hour and climb trees just like squirrels. Some of the oldest black bears in Utah have lived over 20 years in the wild, outsmarting hunters, predators, and harsh winters. And we were lucky enough to get a tag. Here's our story.
Hey.
All right, we're ready.
It turned off right here somewhere. Run the rest of it, and we know he's going to be here tomorrow. We're here again. I'd say that'd be our good last resort. Hey!
We're going to pass up on that one. It's a little small. Alright guys, we're done hunting today. And this is heavy. Alright guys, that's day one of the hunt, complete. We saw a couple tracks, rigged a couple scents, but we haven't treated anything yet, so tomorrow's the day. We're gonna eat some dinner. I'll see you then. Alright guys, so it's day two of the hunting trip. We did go hunting today. I didn't film it, but we didn't get anything. We saw a few tracks. We saw a mama and a cub track. We didn't go after them, obviously. But we're about to go drag some roads to clean off the dirt and make it clear tomorrow morning if there's been tracks or not, so.
Bob? Give her a little bump. Full choke back. There we go. Is it good, ain't it? That'll work. Right above them branches. Give us that stump right there. Right there. Yeah, now we gotta get out of here.
Did I trap myself?
That's what I said. Ooh, hay dudes ain't good for rock stepping. Ready? Hold on. I couldn't go into my stepping on limbs.
Just over 4?
Look.
Here's the track. Here's my hand next to it. Just over 4, they said. We're right here, and they're up here. 70 yards? Is that what this is? We're currently chasing a bear.
That's 450 yards. Our smoke's still going.
we're sending more dogs off with the ones we think are off. Alright, that didn't work. So we're going to intersect the bear and drop off more dogs.
Smokes that. So we should be almost
Alright, we were just wrapping around like I said, and we get a radio call from the other person, Jesse, that he was wrapping around going through thick brush, and the bear just comes out of nowhere and runs 5 feet from him. He dumped all his dogs, and they're all on him now. So, we're in pursuit.
Back it up a little bit, Ty. Back it up. Hang on. Hang on. I can hear him.
Yeah, I can hear him too. Alright.
Well, keep him in there.
Let's go.
Oh, we got it done. It's there like 30 years without getting anything until that bear. So, been chasing that bear since 8 this morning. It's been a wild ride, but the dogs deserve it.
Go for a swim.
It's gonna get some fur in their mouths. We're gonna take them to go swim.
Well, hello,
It's pretty good.
grandson. What you doing?
We're gonna pack up the dogs. We're gonna go take pictures. We're gonna get that taken care of. We're gonna go water the dogs, head back to camp. So. Look at that.
I don't give a shit. Might have to clean your windshield, but.
That's funny, bud. Yeah.
Is that gonna stay up there? You want another one? I'm not. Come on, King Arthur. King Arthur.
Not inside.
King Arthur. Come on. Bandit.
The dogs are all taken care of. We got my 22 and we're gonna do a little bit of hunting.
This hunt,
Yep.
giving you crap.
Yep.
I'm gonna put this right here. It's not in the best spot, but
Oh, I see one. Yeah, that was rough. So this is gonna be hard to film. But basically, there was a squirrel up in that log up there. I don't know if you can see it. So I tried to shoot at it, but I was too late. Okay, well, I didn't get any squirrels. I shot at one. I saw it tumbling on the ground. I thought I shot it. I go over to check and it's gone, so I don't know what happened there. I also shot a couple other ones. Anyways, yeah, didn't go well. I mean, it went well. I just didn't get anything. That's why they call it a hunt, you know? It's not called a killing. We loaded up some wood for the fire tonight.
The speed limit's 40.